Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you another idea to make the floral table runner by using our new material, plastic bowl. If you watch my old tutorial, you have got the step-by-step video to show you how to make the slim table runner by using our plastic wine. If you are interested, you can click here for the old tutorial. But today, I'm using these plastic bowls to make the table runner. Could be make a wider or larger adjustable size of table runner by using this plastic bowl. And also, this idea will be suitable for fresh flower also. Okay, now let's get it started. First of all, we need to lie the bowl on the table. And look at this. If we try to combine several of the bowls on the table, there are some space left, could not be put on another bowl. The method is you can separate the space on every bowl. So we can use this bowl to fix any length of the table. Look. Okay, then let's put on the floral foam. Look at this. All the bowls have some spine on the bottom of the bowl, so it can well hold the floral foam. Okay, then this is all the flower and leaf we will use to put on the foam. Let's check them in detail. Flower, we have different types of flowers. If you want to check all of them, you can visit my product list. And the lid, we have this type of lid, this leaf, phony leaf, this leaf, and this type of lid. You can check them from my product list. You can find the link to the product from the information field below this video. Okay, and then use the flower head and put it on the stem, like this. Also the leaf, put it on the stem will be okay. Talking about the stem, and we have different lengths of stem. This short stem, and this type, and this long stem. The length of stem will help you to make different size of the table runner. If you use this short stem, I think the runner will be much more properly. And this long stem will be larger. And this very, very large table runner, you can use this long stem, but I don't recommend. Normally, this short stem will be much more suitable. Okay, then I will use the short stem and our flower leaves to make the flower runner. Okay, now let's put on all the material. In fact, there are no rules about how to make the flower arrangement. There's no rule, but I like to put on the flower firstly to evaluate different type, different color of the flower and put on the place I want to show to our guests. So I will put on the flower firstly. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the flowers. And the following, I will put on the leaf to decorate the flower and fill up the space. Okay, then the following, the leaf. About the leaf, since some leaf is very long, if we don't want it just, for example, straightly, insert on the table to make the insert on the foam to make the follow the runner very large. We can insert slightly like this, don't strictly. Or if you want the leaf to paste on the edge of the floral foam, you can look, bend the stem like this. So the leaf, bend the leaf and insert on the foam, so the leaf will not stick out a lot. For example, like this one, I bending the stem and then put it on the foam. Or you can pull out the flower and paint it on the foam. And also, the bending stem insert on the foam, so the leaf will be very firmly to put on the to insert on the foam. And this one, I didn't bend the leaf, just put it like this, slightly put it like this. The come out will be pretty also. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the flowers. And finally, we will use all the flowers and leaves, different flowers and leaves, to fill in the red space. Look, we still can see the foam, so we will adding more flower and leaves to fill it. Okay, look, completed. Let's check the come out. Look, this is the effect after we adjust the flower and leaf until satisfied. Okay, look like this. The advantage of using this plastic bowl And the floral foam is we can pre-design our floral foam and then separate them for much more convenient to store and delivery. Okay, we can separate. And when the day of your decorate the event, you can put them in line very fastly, so you can combine the table runner you want. So the idea about using this material will help you to pre-made the floral foam, pre-made the design, and then combine them together to save time when you decorate your event. Okay, look, let's check the effect again. Look. And please do me a favor, but do not skip the advertisement because I want the revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. And also for your information, we supply all the material used on the tutorial. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to the page from information field below this video. Okay, look, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.